Look at what we were given. Not only this, but something even bigger. Let me show you what it is. It all includes. Check out what it comes with. Now over here, I've got one battery already plugging, the other battery plugging in and charging. It comes with its directions, glasses, gloves, gives you a way to work on it. And it comes with the handle that screws on here to the side. But before I do that, let me show you this. Now this is the oiler that they give you. Now a lot of them give you this oiler, and what you have to do is you have to pull this up and drop oil here, but not this one. This one has a pre-built oiler, so I've gone ahead and filled it up so that when I'm using it, all I need to do is every once in a while is just lubricate it so that it'll move. Comes with 2 batteries. Now these just are not 20 volt, they're 21, and these are 4 amp an hour. These are a real heavy battery, which is really good. Now how this works is pretty simple. You slide that on and pull this off, and you can see it works. Or you can slide that on and then you can slide this on right here and it works. Now another thing that's really nice about this one is not only does it come off and easy to store like so, but this, let me pull this down here like this. This is a 120-degree head. So you can cut it whatever angle. So when this is locked in right here, you can see it's pretty parallel, or you can move it 90 degree, or you can move it back. Now, on this side, gives you these 2 openers right here. This will extend to 16 feet, which allows you a lot of access to get up there. So all of this and this, not only that, but if you're using it on your hand, you can put this handle on like we had talked about before and be able to give you something to be able to cut into. It has an 8-inch bar, which some of the ones that I've had in the past are 6-inch bar. Really great, but an 8-inch bar just lets you cut just that much more. And it comes with a sling, so you're not always carrying it. You can put it on your back, be able to walk with it, and not have to be tired using it. And you get this safety. So when you're pulling this in your car or whatever else, you don't have to worry about the chain or anything coming off the chain or cutting your upholstery or anything like that while you move it. This grip is really nice and soft. Okay, let's go outside and cut some wood. And look here. We're gonna get up here when we can get in, start right here. And look at the ease in which it cut down this. Now, like I said, if you wanted to use it, it does have a hand grip right there that'll keep things from hitting you. After you use it a couple of times, pump you a little oil in there, just gonna help that bar last a little longer. So if you would like to protect your fence because ice comes, trees fall, then get you one of these.